Hello guys, my name is Tavan. Welcome back to my channel. So today I'm gonna review about the Toyota Glanza, which is a similar model to Maruti Baleno. We'll talk about what are the similarities there. The Baleno is better or you should go for the Glanza. So let's take a look. Before I start the review, if you haven't subscribed my channel, please go and subscribe my channel right now, and do let me know in the comment if you have any question, or in the future if you want me to take any video with any car which you prefer. Please let me know, and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Let's start. This is a LED projector lamp, okay, because it is a top model V, so we get the LED projector lamp. Here we get the fog lamp options as well. If you look at here, we get the chrome finishing that starts from here, okay, that chrome finishing. Even the middle grille, if I'll talk about, that is a completely grille which is giving a very nice look. Here you get the Toyota logo, and the down part, if normal, the black plastic you get. Tire section, if I'll talk about, so you get the 16-inch alloy wheel because it's a top model. So you can see here it's a 195 by 55 R16. The tire, the alloy wheel you get. You get the electrical auto foldable ORVM with the side indicator here. You can see you get the chrome finishing on the door handle. But before we get inside, let's talk about the rear part. You get the normal LED tail lamps, okay. Here we get the wiper washer defogger. Here we get the brake light, and here we get the small antenna. Here we get the chrome finishing. If you'll see here, from the LED tail lights, it gets connected to the another one. We get the complete chrome finishing. We get the camera placement here down. We get the Toyota logo here, and we have the Glanza badging here. So 339-liter boot space, you get it here. Here you get the bulb option. Here you get, if you want to hang something, you can get it, okay. The kind of a hook option, you get it here. Here you get the spare wheel, okay. So the spare wheel, if I'll talk about, so that's the steel rim, of course, and the tire section is a 185 by 65. It's R15, 15-inch tire you get. Here you get the parcel tray as well, and here you get the handle to close it, okay. So this is a 339-liter boot space, which is, I think it's enough. You get the parking sensor Okay, you get the parking sensor facility here, so that's a good thing. Front, you get the chrome finishing completely. So here you get the request sensor because it's a V model. Let's talk about the interior. So here you get the all 4 power window, here you get the lock unlock button, and here you get the ORVM control. If I'll talk about the steering, so you get the leather wrap steering with here the chrome finishing. Here you get the Toyota logo. Left hand side you get the multimedia control. This is how the instrumental cluster looks for the Toyota Glanza. Okay. This is the touchscreen system you get, which is a decent touchscreen system. So today I would not able to show you the features because I do not have a key, but this is how the touchscreen system looks. Here you get the AC wings. Okay, here you get the hazard light, and here you get the automatic climate control AC. Here you get the mobile placement, you can keep something here, kind of a space you get. This is a 5-speed manual transmission, and it's a chrome finishing. There is a very small space, I would not say a big. Here you get the armrest. Okay, and the armrest is a very small, but that's okay because it's a top model. Okay, here you get the auto dimming ORVM. Here you get the vanity mirror at the driver's side. Okay, here you get the vanity mirror at the co-passenger side as well. You can see here you get the normal light, the normal bulb. Here you get the door handle. Okay, all 3 sides you get. Here you get the normal bulb, the middle one. So this is how the overall the interior, the front dashboard for the Toyota Glanza looks. Okay, so I would say it is pretty similar to the Baleno. So here you can see it's the back door handle. Here you get the power window. Here you get the chrome finishing. Okay, the seat, if I have adjusted the front seat according to my height and I have enough space, same goes for the height, is okay, not a problem. The rear part, if I'll talk about, here we get the 12 watts charging socket, and here we get the normal mobile placement kind of thing, but you don't get any AC rear AC vent in the back side. So that's the thing. Here you get the adjustable headrest, so that's a good thing. So this was my overall review for the Toyota Glanza. So actually, unfortunately, I do not have a key today because it's a Sunday. Only 1 or 2 people in the showroom are available. So I'll get back to you with another video with all the features, with the driving experience as well. But if I'll compare it with the Baleno, so what makes it difference is the only warranty time. So the warranty period here in the Toyota Glanza, you get the 3 years. Either you complete the 3 years warranty or you get up to 1 lakh kilometer. When it goes to Baleno, you don't get that much. So that's the one thing. The safety features, if I'll talk about, so you get the 2 airbags, you get the ABC with the ABD. So that's the thing we get. And overall quality not that bad, but you have heard about the Baleno also. Baleno quality is also not that good. I mean, if you compare in the same segment car like Ultros and all, so not that good. So this was the similarities between Toyota Glanza and the Baleno, and company to company it differs. Engine specification is I'll talk about, so that's the only 1.2 liter engine, the same you get it. So I haven't driven the Glanza yet. Okay, I'll get back to you with the experience, but I have driven the Baleno, and engine wise it is superb. I cannot deny that. So that's the overall review about the Toyota Glanza. So that's it for the today. If you haven't subscribed my channel, please go and subscribe my channel right now. I'm signing off. My name is Tavan Timote. Take care. Bye bye.